How to see what country an Instagram account? In this tutorial, I'll show you where to find this information on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. To check your own account, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap About. Then select About Your Account. Here, you may see information such as when the account was created, previous username changes, and the country the account is based in, if Instagram provides it. Now, let's check another account. Go back to Instagram and open the profile you want to check. Tap the three dots in the top right corner. Then select About this account. Depending on the account and Instagram's current features, you may see information such as the account's creation date and country where the account is based. Keep in mind that this information isn't available for every account, and it doesn't necessarily show someone's exact location. And that's it. That's how you can check the available account information on Instagram. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out more helpful Instagram tips and tutorials.